job.
I can stay here with the kids if y'all want to go.
Watch out for your brother.
Pull up your pants, Smiley. Miley, get Tim. I get you.
I got you. I got you.
Get on his back, Miley, like a pony.
Miley, do you want to go to Walmart? Okay, hey.
Come here.
You have to go to the bathroom and go potty first.
Okay, go potty first.